This old photo was taken in 1967, it's a black and white portrait. She's wearing a modest dress, her hair in soft curls, and there's a quiet spark in her eyes. Today I'm going to use AI to restore this photo, and even take it a step further. I'll try turning it into a video. Let's see how I did it. Before we begin, make sure to check the description box below. You'll find the official links to the tools I'm using today. Trust me, HitPaw FotorPea and AI Marvels will surprise you. Once we open HitPaw FotorPea, head to the homepage and look for Image Restoration, then click on it. On this page, the program already provides us with a preset AI prompt, optimized for photo repair. All we need to do is upload our photo, and then choose the image size. If you want to keep the original resolution, just select the custom option. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Generate. The restoration was successful. Click on the image to enlarge it, then click Zoom in to check the details more closely. First, we've successfully restored the colors of the photo, but as you can see, some details under the eyes are still quite blurry. To fix this, we'll use the AI Upscaler feature. The program will automatically choose the best AI model and generate a preview for us. Wow! After upscaling the facial details, it looks much smoother. The texture of the hair looks a bit strange, but overall I'm very happy with the result. Now for the next step, giving her life with this photo. Open the AI Marvel software, scroll down and click on the Live Photo feature. Select the first reference example, then upload our restored photo. The prompt is already prepared for us, so we just need to click Generate and wait patiently. And there it is, a video of this madam smiling and waving. Honestly, it really touched me. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.